Hi everyone. Let's look at the reaction between aluminum solid and copper chloride solution to form aluminum chloride and solid copper. So our copper 2 chloride aqueous solution is the light blue liquid in the test tube. Our aluminum wire right here is this thin silver wire. So we're going to look for one of our 5 major signs of a reaction with this. One or more of the 5 major signs. So we're going to look for bubbling, temperature change, color change, formation of a precipitate. Now we're going to use this temperature probe to record the temperature of the solution as the reaction proceeds. So we're starting at 22.8 degrees Celsius. Let's add the aluminum and see what happens. So as we can see, the temperature starts to rise as this reaction goes, and we can see some small bubbles forming. What you might notice is that the aluminum wire, which is silver in color up here at the top, is getting darker in the solution. So let's keep watching it and observe what happens. So we had a little bit of a time skip here. What we can notice is that the bubbles are getting a bit bigger, they're coming a little bit faster, and our temperature has gone up even more. Now we're at 30 degrees Celsius and steadily climbing. This is telling us that this reaction is releasing a lot of energy in the form of heat. That's what's giving us our temperature change. So we've had another small time jump here. We can see the temperature is getting even hotter, still increasing by about 1/10 of a degree Celsius rapidly. And the color of the solution is changing. We're no longer that light blue. Instead, we're now more of a bluish green color. And we can see that this red solid is forming on that aluminum wire. All right, another jump in time here. We can see that we're in the 40s now for Celsius. So we started at 22-ish. We've gone up about 23 degrees. We can see a lot more of that reddish solid has formed and that the color of our solution has changed again to get lighter and lighter while the amount of bubbling has slowed down. All right, we've let the reaction run for a little bit longer. And we can see that we now have a drastic color change. We no longer have that nice rich blue solution. It's now a pale blue, almost like the sky on a cloudy day. We can see through it more. And we've got more of this red solid or reddish brown solid that is the copper that was formed. And our solution has also stopped heating up. So make sure that you record the signs of the reaction that you saw here.